everyone, and welcome to our colorful Stitch Fix.
Yes.
I'm really excited about this one because that's the only note that I gave to my stylist is just make it a colorful fix. I'm ready to see some colors, especially since things are kind of gloomy right now. Just a lot going on, and in saying that, we hope that everyone out there is doing well. You know, our prayers are with everybody, and we just hope that this thing goes away pretty quickly. But just to kind of lighten the mood a little bit, we did want to share a Stitch Fix today. And I haven't done an unboxing in a while. I've kind of just gone right to the try-ons. And we have opened it up, but we haven't seen what's in here. So if you don't know, of course, Stitch Fix has been around for a while now, and it is a styling service where you get 5 items of clothing or accessories, and for a $20 styling fee, and it comes to your home. You try it on. What you like you keep, and what you don't you send back, and it's free shipping to send back. Your $20 styling fee comes off of anything that you may decide to keep. And anything else you need to know is right here on the box. It tells you how to send it back. They do send you a prepaid mailer. And if you want to try Stitch Fix, I'll leave a link below, and that will, sometimes it gets you $25 towards a purchase, and sometimes it's $50 towards a purchase. So when you go on to check it out, it'll tell you what that is. It also gives us $25 towards a purchase, or $50, you know, just depending. I've even seen some people have links that have $100.
Oh wow, that would be nice.
I haven't gotten one of those yet, but that would be really cool.
That would be great.
We're gonna get started right now because I think I got
fun
shoes, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to let you hold that.
Okay.
And I'm going to take out my bundle's actually kind of small, but it
does have some pretty colors in there.
Very colorful. There's a little Stitch Fix. And before I forget it, if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment so that we can get to know you a little bit better.
We'd love to.
That's right. I've been doing a lot of YouTube watching these past few days.
Yes, it's pretty much the only thing that's still going on, still stays the same.
Okay, so what do we want to open first?
Let's do this one first. This one's different.
I was hoping she'd say that.
Okay.
I love shoes. They're very lightweight, so they could be sneakers.
I'm excited to see what they are.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Now this is getting me ready for spring
and summer.
I love these.
Those are colorful. Oh, those are fun.
This is Isaac I don't know how to say
Mizrahi?
it.
Is that
I've seen this brand a lot, but
Mizrahi.
now colorful shoeless. Listen,
yes.
You know what? I didn't look to see who my stylist was. Excuse me, just a minute. My regular stylist is Nicole, so hopefully it's still Nicole because she does a great job, and I'm seeing a little bit. It is. It's Nicole. It's Nicole. I'm gonna read her. Whoop.
Whoop. We're throwing things in here today.
Hi, Wanda, and welcome back to your 27th.
Wow,
fix.
it doesn't seem like you've had that many.
Yay, I'm so glad we had another successful fix. My last fix was a 5 for 5.
It was a good one.
Thank you so much for your great feedback. I loved seeing exactly why you enjoyed each piece. Please continue to let me know your thoughts on each item when checking out. Let's kick things off with Isaac Mizrahi sandals. You asked for color, and I could not have been more excited when I found these. Try them with your light pink denim, which was in a previous fix, and complete the outfit with the West Key tie front blouse. Switch out those bottoms for your TGLA coral pants as a second look. Next up, wear your Liverpool white jeans with the rest of the tops. Please note, you may feel more comfortable with a cami under the yellow blouse. Stay safe and healthy, Nicole. Thank you, Nicole.
Oh, how sweet.
Very, very personal, personalized. And if you tried Stitch Fix and maybe weren't happy with your fix, sometimes it does help to get another stylist till you get one that really does get your style. And Nicole, Nicole gets me. I love these. I hope they fit.
Shoes are like her favorite thing ever. It's like her favorite clothing item.
Okay.
All right, here
So
we go.
getting into color, and it does look more springy, which I'm
It's
ready
that time
for.
now.
Yes, yes. Okay. Oh,
Ooh, it's a blouse.
it is, and it's.
That's pretty.
Oh, look at that. Oh, you do have to wear a cami under it, or I would. I would because
It has an open back.
It's open in the back, but that would look really cute with a little white tank top or something under it. That's really different. It's it has a tie in the back.
I like the bottom, how it has the, I don't know what you call this little hem at the bottom.
You know, I'm anxious to try this on because this is very different from it for me, and the color especially. I tend to stay away from yellows and everything, and this isn't really.
It's more of a mustard.
Mustard.
Or gold, maybe gold.
Which I'm not a big mustard fan for me, but with the white or cream color background on it, it might.
I like it. It works. Yeah.
Okay. And then there's this, I don't know if you call this purple or pinkish.
I think it's purple.
It has the dolman sleeves.
It's soft.
It's thicker.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
It's like most of our favorite colleges have purple in their colors, so it fits for that.
I really like the feel of this material. It's not super thin. I mean, it's got some body to it, which makes me think it would hold shape pretty well. Okay.
I keep yawning, guys. Sorry. I shouldn't be yawning. I've been doing nothing but wrestling for the past few days.
And here is a cream colored, not really polka dots, but more like little squares.
Little squares. Like confetti. It's like confetti sprinkles.
Yeah, exactly. It is lined. I like that.
I like the tie front.
I like the shape of this. I do.
I think that one's going to look really good on you.
So we'll see. We'll see. And then last but not least is this beautiful green. Lacy.
Oh, that looks like you. I like that.
Oh, wow. I like
it's fancy.
The kind of jewel tone.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that is such a pretty pattern. I am ready to get started trying this.
Yes, I'm anxious to see them on you.
Yes, me too. Well, we'll be right back with the try-on. This is the first outfit that Nicole put together, and this is the West Key blouse, and I'll come up a little bit closer so you can see it.
The details of this blouse are that it is the Alorna tie front blouse in off-white, and it is $42.
Actually, this is one of the cheapest things in my fix. This is kind of an expensive fix. I do love this blouse. I love the.
It looks really pretty on
the kind
you.
of sheerness of the sleeves. I love this little keyhole type opening. Not sure about this lower part because it feels like it kind of pulls right here. I'm not sure if it's laying exactly right. I do like the tie. I know a lot of people don't like the ties, but I think with where it's hanging, it's okay. Yeah, and I do. I like this a lot. And these are the jeans that she had said that I put them with. I think it would look really good with a pair of dress pants too, like flowy or dress pants.
Oh yeah.
And then here are the sandals, and I can tell you right now that I'm probably going to keep these sandals because I really
a shoes person.
I love these, and you could wear them with so many different things. I love the way the straps are. They're very comfortable. Yeah, I like them. I think I could just wear them with a multitude of things.
So many things. And these are the Isaac Mizrahi Penny Lane Rainbow Slice Sandals. It says they're in pink, but as you can see, they're in a lot of different colors. They're a size 6, and these are $69. So they're the priciest thing in your fix.
I'll bring them a little closer for you to see. The orange, the coral, the pinks, even a lavender, green, yellow stripe. Yeah, these are just very, very pretty and very, very comfortable as well. So yeah, these are probably mine.
Yes.
Let's see. I think the rest of the things that I have to try on are tops. So let's try the gold one next. Now here's the second blouse or top for me to try on, and this is the another West Key, I believe.
Yes, this is the West Key Kalan tie back blouse in yellow. It is a medium and it's $42.
And I'm going to tell you the things that I do like about this. I love the shape of the front of this. I like the V-neck, and I actually like the way that it hits me in the front. I love the color and the pattern, but just not on me. The color of the top, I don't know, to me it almost matches the color of my hair, and it just kind of washes me out, I think is what Rebecca said. It does seem to wash me out, but I really, really wish I could wear this pattern in this color because I love it. I think it is so pretty. Okay, now for the part I didn't quite understand is this back part, because it looks like I have a tail. And when I left it knotted, it looked even worse.
Right, we tied it in a bow.
It came like down to here. It does cross over, and that could be part of it, you know. I think my backless days may be over for me.
Oh.
But it does wrap, and I do think it's really cute, and I would love to have a top shaped like this in the front, and maybe just go all the way plain in the back, you know. Yeah, I do like that part of it. And it is a lovely blouse, and I do wish it worked, but I just don't think it does. So, on to my next one. And my next top looks like this. It's this pretty lacy, I don't guess it's not crochet, lacy overlay type. It is lined, of course, underneath it. I love this color. I used to wear this color when I was younger, and I've just gotten away from it, and I don't know why. I think it's a very pretty.
It goes for your eyes.
Pretty green. And you said this was Market and Spruce?
Yes, this is the Market and Spruce Hans crochet front top in green. It's a size medium, and it's $58.
And it does have this little zipper detail in the back.
I think it's really pretty.
It is a pretty. Get up closer to show you the pattern a little bit more. What do you think about the fit? Does it do anything to flatter me, or is it kind of bunchy here? I do like it, and I want to really, really like it, but I also want it to be flattering. What do you think? I was also thinking this might go pretty with a skirt for like church and all, and wearing it that way as well. So what do y'all think about this one? How much was this?
This one's $58.
Because it is pricey, and I want it to be, you know, I want it to make sure that it does flatter.
I love it.
If I'm gonna pay the $58 for it. So I'll have to watch this back to see what it looks like on here. But I do love the color.
It's a very pretty color.
Nicole really delivered on a colorful fix. I will
She sure did.
give her a lot of credit for that. Okay, I have one more top. And here's the last top. Again, it's in this beautiful color. I do like this color on me. What do you think? Do you think this
I think it's gorgeous.
fits me? And it is a dolman sleeve. And you know, there's people who love dolman, and then there are people who hate dolman. I like them, I think, because it tends to give me a little bit of a waist, which is one thing that I have more trouble with the older I get, is having a defined waist. This feels really comfortable. It's a very comfortable top. Yeah, I like the length of the sleeves. I like the neckline, although it borders on being a little bit too low. I may have to put something on under it, because I have it kind of pulled back right now, but as it, you know, as you go on, it might come down a little bit.
Right.
So, and what was this one?
This is the Layla Jade Bowie 3/4 sleeve dolman knit top in jewel tone. It's a size medium, and it is $58.
Okay, $58, which is kind of pricey.
Right. I think it's a favorite though.
Yeah, I do. I love the color of it. Another thing I like about dolman tops is most of the time you can adjust the length of the bottom of it to where it hits you in the place that you're most comfortable with. So I do like that as well. I do need your help because it's not a 5 for 5. We know that because of the mustardy color top that was lovely, but I know I'm keeping the shoes. If you had to pick your favorite top on me, which one would it be? Which one would you like? Because I have to admit, I like the white one, I like the green one, and I like this one. I like them all. But with Stitchfix math, you know, you want to make the best decision. So which one do you think is the most flattering as far as my color goes, as far as what it looks like shape-wise? I would really appreciate your comments. And I know I have those faithful few out there who will give me their opinions that I respect so much because I love the way that y'all see things. So, yeah. What is the total of this fix?
Oh, I guess I'll jump back in. I'm not dressed up, guys. I'm doing the whole social distancing thing, so I'm...
Oh, yeah, we gotta...
Yeah, we gotta keep it far apart. Anyway, the total of this box before any discounts is $269. If you get all of them, you get the 25% discount, which is minus $67.25. So that brings the subtotal to $201.75. Free shipping, so the order total would be $201.75.
Which is one of my higher fixes. You know, I like to keep it below the 200 mark. But I do have shoes. I have to remember that. I have shoes, and I do love these shoes. And the shoes have gone with everything that I've tried on. So, not quite sure what I'm going to do because, of course, thankfully, so far with the job that I have, it is continuing to pay because, you know, I'm in education and everything. But you never know when something could drastically change. She's not sure yet about her.
I don't know. I'm an assistant teacher, so I don't know if the same thing applies to me as applies to other teachers. We'll have to wait and see.
So we want to be responsible with this.
Exactly.
I'm not going to go crazy over it, even though there are 3 tops that I really, really, really like, but we're not going to get them. So please give me your opinion and stay safe.
Stay healthy, wash your hands.
Yeah, all that good stuff. And I know as time goes on, and some of you probably are already on a housebound quarantine. We're not quite to that point yet. In our state, we're down to no more than 3 in a group. You know, so we'll see. It changes daily. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.